Gloria. Today I want to share with you a very delicious chocolate cookie with mint fudge that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. The chocolate cookie with mint fudge, these are my ingredients. I have baking powder, a pinch of salt, vanilla paste or vanilla extract, whatever you have at home, 1 stick of unsalted butter at room temperature, of brown sugar, 1 egg at room temperature, of course, the little pieces of mint fudge. I have all-purpose flour, and we have the chocolate cacao in powder. So this is everything we need. So let's get started. First things first, getting ready all the dry ingredients. I have 1 cup of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 pinch of salt. I am going to sift 1 cup of all-purpose flour. And of course, I am ready to mix. We're going to incorporate all the dry ingredients, making sure that everything is really incorporated. Once this is done, I am ready to continue. Continue, of course, adding the unsalted butter, adding the egg at room temperature. That's very important. And of course, adding the cocoa powder. This cocoa powder has no sugar, so I'm adding 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder. And now I'm ready to incorporate. Let me tell you, when you bake at home, you have control how much sugar you add to your amazing goods. Make your cookies at home. You have control of what you're adding to your cookie. I'm adding 1 egg at room temperature, adding, of course, 1 teaspoon of vanilla paste or vanilla extract, and 1 stick of unsalted butter that I'm going to take to the microwave and dissolve completely. Look at this. Make sure that you don't leave any butter behind. You really want to add the whole stick of unsalted butter. Of course, I'm with the spatula, I am going to get all that butter. And of course, I am going to use the best tool. The best tool is your hands. Of course, with hands nice and clean, I am ready to incorporate. It doesn't take too long before you see that you have created a ball of dough. Of course, we're adding 10 ounces of the mint little pieces. Look at this. Yes, this really comes out amazing. The dough is a little sticky. That's okay. I am going to wash my hands, remove all the excessive dough from my fingers, and of course, washing my hands. Look at this. It's sticky. Don't worry. That's okay. Your cookies are going to come out so delicious. Of course, I'm just making sure that I mix them one more time. My hands are still a little wet, but I am going to take advantage so it doesn't stick too much on my palms. So here I am going to make the cookies. I have preheated my oven to 350 Fahrenheit. You always want to preheat your oven before you add your cookie dough in there. You want your oven to be nice and hot so that the cookies really cook at the same time. I'm going to cook the cookies for about 15 minutes, and then we'll see how they come out. Make these amazing mint chocolate cookies. You're going to fall in love with them. Just make sure that all the cookies are almost the same size so that they cook at the same time. Look how beautiful they look. Well, they're going into the oven, 350 for about 15 minutes. And I'll see you when I'm bringing them out. always, when you bring your cookies out, always transfer them to a wire rack. You want them to stop cooking and you want them to start coming to room temperature. So removing them from the baking dish is going to be amazing because you're going to stop the cooking process and they're going to start getting to room temperature. Look at this. And you're getting out of this mixture of the dough, you're getting about 20 cookies. Just enough to enjoy for just a couple days. This is a family of 6, so really they don't last too long. Let me show you. Let me show you how they look from close up, and let me show you the inside of the cookie. The outside of the cookie is nice and firm, but the inside is really fluffy and moist. And this is exactly how you want to enjoy an amazing mini chocolate cookie with the mint little pieces. I'm ready for the presentation, but before I do it, I want to create my amazing, like I do, you're going to love little pieces. Of course, I'm going to enjoy it with a homemade coffee. Like, subscribe, and share. So Cooking with Gloria continue growing. I am ready for, see you in a bit. My friends, I am completely done with these amazing chocolate cookies with mint, little pieces of mint inside, just amazing. Let's see how this came out. I wish you guys were here to taste it with me. Excuse me. The chocolate and the mint, a perfect combination. And of course, with a nice hot coffee, just amazing. This amazing cookie is perfect to end your day. If you like and love this amazing recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Bye-bye.